Stop by and take a look at the 2013 E-Series van. Max utility and space for everything, the E-Series has it covered. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, traction control, power steering, ashtray, cargo area light, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.